Superintendent of the Diocesan Catholic Schools, Reverend Father John Neil Caliope, Father Neil, Sister Sherita Adriana Rato, ROO, fellow teachers who are both dashing and gorgeous tonight, dearest juniors and seniors who will soon be promenading gracefully in the dance floor, well-respected parents and guardians who are here tonight, ladies and gentlemen, a warm evening to all of us. I stand before you tonight filled with excitement and pride as we celebrate one of the most cherished traditions of the school, the Junior Seniors Prom. This is not just a formal dance, it is a milestone, an evening to remember, and a celebration of your hard work, achievements, and the friendships you have built throughout your school years. As we embark on this beautiful night, I encourage each of you to take a moment to appreciate how far you've come. From your first steps into high school, filled with nerves and anticipation, to this very moment where you are all dressed to the nines, ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. Prom is about more than just the glitz and glamour of the evening. It is the night to honor the bonds you forged, to celebrate your accomplishments, and to embrace the laughter and joy that fills this place. It is a time to reflect upon the experiences that have shaped you into remarkable individuals you are today, and look forward to the incredible opportunities that lie ahead. As we dance, laugh, and enjoy this special evening, remember to cherish these moments with your friends and celebrate the spirit of togetherness that defines our school community. To our very supportive superintendent, so too with our equal supportive and active faculty and staff. To our dear parents and guardians, I thank you for all your encouragement and dedication, which have played a crucial role in helping our students become what they are today. So with